Hi guys, Miss Ansbro here. I miss you so much. So much that I thought we need to do a science experiment together. And the really cool thing, it's one that I can do on this side of the camera and you can do on your side of the camera. So today we're going to answer a question. Does an object sink or float? So we're going to look at 4 different objects, and our job is to decide, does it sink or does it float? But before I can answer that question, I need to know, what is sink and what is float? Well, when I say something sinks, that means it's going to be at the very bottom. The very bottom. We're not going to get tricked. It doesn't mean it's right here in the middle. It means it's at the very bottom. So if it's at the bottom, that means it sank. It means it. Good job. And then we need to know what float means. Now, when something is floating in my water, it means it's at the very top. It's gonna be right up here. So if it's at the top, that means it floats. It means it. Good job. Now, I'm gonna show you the 4 objects that I got permission to use, and we're gonna decide, does it float or does it sink? Got it? So I have a candle, I have a bottle cap, I have a hair clip, and I have a nickel. So our job is to decide, does it sink or does it float? So I want you to watch me put my candle in the water. And when you see that candle in the water, you need to figure out, where is it in my water? And does that mean it's sinking or floating? Capiche? So let's go ahead and check it out. I don't know about you, but I noticed something. I noticed my candle is at the very top. And I know I said when it's at the top, that means it's floating. It means it's good job. I wonder if anything else is going to float. Ooh, let's try the nickel next. I have my nickel. What do you think is going to happen? Do you think it'll float or sink? Let's find out. So I'm going to put my nickel in, and I want you to let me know, does it sink or does it float? Now I know it's a little hard to see, so let me bring it closer. Right there. There is my nickel. Where is it in my container? Is it at the top or at the bottom? It's at the bottom. So if it's at the bottom, what does that mean? Did it sink or did it float? You are so right. My nickel, it sinks straight down to the bottom. So my nickel, it sinks. It what? Good job. Let's try 2 more objects. I'm gonna go ahead and get my nickel out. Wow. Next thing I have is my hair clip. Ooh, I don't know about this one. Let's see, does it sink or does it float? I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. Remember, it's your job to decide, did it sink or did it float? Ooh, really important. How did you know? Ooh, where is it? Is it at the top or is it at the bottom? It's at the bottom, and we know that means it what? It sinks. It what? Ooh, and like I said, we know it sinks because it's at the bottom. Very good. Oh my goodness, rocking it out. So the last one that we're gonna test out together is a bottle cap. Let's see if my bottle cap sinks or floats. Oh my goodness. I notice it's where? It's at the top. And that means that it's floating. That's right. So my bottle cap, it floats. Now, scholars, your job is to 1, get permission, but 2, test it out for yourself. You can use a cup, you can use a container, you can use the bathtub, whatever you have and have permission to use. You can fill it with some water, and then you can go around and find some objects that are able to go in the water. And I want to know, what objects did you test out? And did these objects sink or float? Remember, we gotta remember, if it sinks, it's gonna be at the bottom, and if it floats, it's gonna be at the top, Good job. I can't wait to see what you guys tested out. Feel free to send us pictures or videos or just comment. I can't wait to hear all about it.